Welcome to our channel. Today we how to withdraw staking rewards on Kraken, detailed guide step by step clearly. To withdraw staking rewards on Kraken, begin by signing in to your Kraken account. Once logged in, navigate to the funding tab in the main menu. Scroll down to find the staking section. In the staking area, you will see an overview of your staked assets and earned rewards. Select the asset for which you wish to withdraw your rewards. Click on the Withdraw button next to your selected asset. You will be prompted to enter the amount you want to withdraw. Input the amount you wish to transfer. Review your withdrawal details to ensure accuracy. Select the wallet address where you want to send your rewards. If you haven't added a wallet address yet, you will need to do so by clicking Add Address. Follow the prompts to enter the necessary wallet information and save it. After confirming your wallet address, return to the withdrawal screen. Proceed by clicking on the Confirm button to finalize the withdrawal. You will receive a confirmation message indicating that your withdrawal request has been submitted. Check your email for any verification requests from Kraken. Complete any required email verification steps to continue with the withdrawal. Your staking rewards will be processed and sent to your selected wallet. Be aware that the processing time may vary based on network congestion. Monitor your wallet for the arrival of your staking rewards. If you do not see your rewards after a reasonable time, check the withdrawal history on Kraken. That's the complete process to withdraw staking rewards on Kraken. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.